You don't need a mansion to live luxuriously. Quiet luxury is subtle, it's intentional, and most people don't even realize when they're doing it. Here are 10 signs your home already feels quietly expensive, without even trying. 1. You use fewer colors, but with purpose. Neutral palettes with tonal layers feel calm, not cold. Beige, taupe, black, and off-white always look elevated. 2. Your space has negative space. You don't fill every corner, and that restraint reads as confidence. 3. Your lighting is layered. You use soft lamps, sconces, or candles, not just overhead lights. That glow is everything. 4. Your furniture is clean-lined and low-profile. Even affordable pieces look high-end when the silhouette is simple and the scale fits the room. 5. You mix materials intentionally. Linen, wood, glass, stone, matte metals, luxury lives in texture, not clutter. 6. Your home smells good, but not overpowering. Subtle scents like cedar, sandalwood, or linen set the tone before anyone sees the space. 7. Your surfaces are edited. Coffee tables, vanities, and shelves are styled, but never busy. A tray, a candle, and one sculptural piece? Perfect. 8. Your art is large, neutral, and simple. Oversized, framed prints, tone-on-tone canvases, or black and white sketches look curated, even if they're budget finds. 9. You hide what doesn't need to be seen. Cords, packaging, plastic bins, out of sight, always. 10. You focus on how it feels, not how much it costs. Quiet luxury is more about flow than flash. It's not performative, it's peaceful. If you found yourself nodding, you're already living the Minimaluxe way. Want to bring more of that energy into your home? Subscribe to Minimaluxe Living for weekly ideas on calm, curated living that feels quietly luxurious. Less noise, more presence. That's quiet luxury.